In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a gift card on Android. Let's dive right into it, starting with the first step. Begin by starting your purchase on the Google Play Store. This is the initial step where you select what you want to buy, be it an app, a movie, or any other item available. It's important to know exactly what you're purchasing, as this will make the process smoother. When you have made your choice, proceed to the checkout page. Next, tap on the payment method. This is the section where you typically choose how to pay for your purchase. It's usually located near the pricing details of the item you're buying. Tapping on the payment method opens up a list of available payment options, giving you the flexibility to make your purchase in a way that suits you best. From there, select the option to redeem a code. This is crucial because it allows you to use your gift card as a payment method. The redeem code option is designed specifically for situations like this, where you have a prepaid card. Using a gift card is a great way to manage your spending as it ensures you don't go over budget. Now, enter the gift card code. Be sure to type in the code exactly as it appears on your gift card. Double check for any typing errors, as an incorrect code will result in a failed redemption. This step is vital because the code is what holds the value of your gift card, and only a correct entry will allow you to access those funds. After entering the code, follow the on-screen instructions. These instructions will guide you through the final steps of the redemption process. Pay close attention to any prompts or messages that appear, as they are there to ensure that everything is going smoothly. This part of the process is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it straightforward. Finally, complete the purchase. With the gift card successfully redeemed, your purchase should proceed without a hitch. You will receive a confirmation that the transaction has been successful. This makes sure that your item is now yours, and you can enjoy it immediately. Using a gift card is not only convenient but also a secure way to make purchases. It can prevent overspending and is an excellent option for gifting purposes. If you're new to this process, rest assured that with these steps, you're all set to make smooth and easy transactions. Remember, once you have redeemed your gift card, the balance will be applied to your Google Play account. This means that if you don't use the entire balance on a single purchase, the remaining amount will stay in your account for future use. It's a handy feature that ensures you get the most out of your card. By following these steps, you've now learned how to pay with a gift card on Android. This method is practical and offers a great way to manage your purchases on the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!